Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install Gemini as an app on PC. So to start, open any browser. So I'm using Chrome, then search for gemini.google.com. So once you're here, you can sign into your Gemini account. Then next, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down and go to Cast, Save, and Share. Now from the option that appears, select Install Page as App. Then here you can rename the app and click Install to confirm the action. So once installed, Gemini will open in its own window just like a desktop app. So it's right here. So you can pin it to your taskbar. So to pin it, click the icon down here, right click on it, and click Pin to Taskbar. You can also open Start menu for quick access. So on Windows, Gemini is typically installed as a progressive web app or PWA, which behaves like a desktop app but runs using your browser. Now, if you want to uninstall this, you can just open it and click the three dots right here. Then click Uninstall Gemini, or you can also go to your settings, then go to Apps, go to Installed Apps, then click the search button and search for Gemini and just click Uninstall. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.